Cryptoenter payment service has been developed for more than 2.5 years by highly qualified specialists of SmartBlock Laboratory, an IBM partner since 2017. Since February 2018, the SmartBlock Laboratory has become a silver member Linux, and the same month was accepted by the Hyperledger Foundation as a general member. Cryptoenter is the first interbank payment service based on Hyperledger Fabric in the world. Modern technology implemented in the Cryptoenter platform will allow to reach a new level of interaction between users and banks, as well as between users directly. It also provides access to new financial instruments for all market participants. Cryptoenter is an innovative payment banking ecosystem based on blockchain storage technology and Linux Hyperledger Fabric validation. Cryptoenter payment service provides full functionality of interbank settlements, as in SWIFT, SEPA, retail payments, acquiring as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, tool set of electronic payment systems such as PayPal and Amazon Pay, as well as mobile phone-based payment, analog of M-Pesa. Cryptoenter is a global project which uses innovative solutions of its own development, allowing to implement a full-fledged cross-border payment platform for banks and end users. Taking into account all the implemented functionality within one platform, Cryptoenter is a unique full-scale service that has no analogs in the global financial market at the moment.